There are 4 popular ways to restore your smile. And just to cover all the bases, we're gonna go from least favorite to most ideal. The least favorite is being dentures. The problem with dentures is they're not as retentive. They tend to fall out when you're eating something. It's gonna affect your speech, and they're just not very comfortable to wear. They also produce bone loss. The second popular way to improve your smile is through orthodontics, mainly being clear aligners. Here at Harmony Dentistry, we primarily use Invisalign, which is a very easy tray system. Very sequentially, we move your teeth to ideal positions. I get so many consults for patients coming in for veneers, and when I look at their teeth and we discuss with the patient, they actually have perfect looking teeth. They're just not in the right place. The cons of getting clear aligners is it usually takes about on average 6 to 9 months to get your beautiful smile back, and getting that result you want, it's just gonna take a little bit longer. The third most popular option to improve the look of your smile is with veneers. Veneers are porcelain material that gets glued on top of your teeth, and the benefit of them, we can instantly improve not only the shape of your teeth, we can make them white and bright and just dramatically make that smile pop. The cons of getting veneers is that if you have very crooked teeth or malpositioned teeth, you may not be a candidate for it. The most popular way to restore your smile are with dental implants. This is the best way to get your confidence back because you have something permanent, it's not removable, aesthetically it looks beautiful. They're long lasting, they look natural, and they're functional. You can chew just as you had your own natural teeth. The cons are usually cost and the time that involves. If you have to get bone grafts or other procedures to get an implant in, it becomes a time factor, can prolong the procedure. Fortunately at Harmony Dentistry, where we follow through the whole process to make sure you have the best experience, no matter which option you choose. At Harmony Dentistry, we offer payment plans so we can make all these procedures affordable for whatever you choose. If you're not sure which option is best for you to restore your smile, I happily invite you to give us a call at Harmony Dentistry for a complimentary consult so we can guide you which option is best for you.